Right. By removing this div tag, right, I simply remove it. Simply remove it and Control X, Control S, and second I will load it. Show you. By removing this div tag, yes, and I refresh it, gone. That means the complete action part, it's all everything is included in the div tag, right? And inside the div tag I have given one attribute called class is equal to outline box. I will tell you what is that outline box, all the thing. These all are our user defined values, right? Class equal to outline box I have given, and after that I have given enter your name and submit, and form name equal to form 1, action is equal to that. And you observe carefully here what I did. I have straight away used the unordered list. I think you people know the listing HTML list. In the HTML list video you can able to see unordered list and ordered list, right? So I will tell you why I use these all the things. So what I did, I have given the list of items like this. Enter the first name and input type equal text, and after that li I have given a class equal to rq, enter alphabets, all the things, right? For time being I will remove this line. What is that line? Style sheet. For time being I will remove this line. Control S. Now see the output. You got it? So this is the what if I remove the css, what happened? This is the raw html code. So you can able to see what is there. You by writing ul tags, the list of items will be appear defaultly, it will appear in dark circles, right? This is the difference we can observe, right? So that let us study what is the things which we have included in css, right? So without css, what the effect we observe, what the effect has came, we observe. So what are the raw html codes effects, everything is appeared in the html page, html section. That means in the web page, without giving css, it simply displays the normal effects of the html tags, right? So now what we did by using css, we simply beautify it, right? So let's go to the css file. What is the css file name? Is form style.css, right? Observe carefully here. First we know li. What is the li means? Li is the, this is this tag. So we know if I am straight away using any tag, I need to give any effect for the tag. So straight away I can type the tag name. This is selector li. Inside that li I have given some property and I have given a value. What is this property? List style type colon none. That means the default appearance of list type is dark circle. I simply blocked that particular appearance into none. That means the default appearance of dark circles. So I once again I will show you so that you can understand. I remove it, control S. This is the appearance, this is the default appearance of list li. What I did, I make the appearance into block. That means I blocked that appearance. How I can block means very simple, like this. Li, I have given the property list style type none, and after that I have given some font size. You can observe carefully. Here, what is the font? Very normal font. But what I made? Font size 16 pt. Automatically, automatically what happened? The font size has increased, right? The font size has been increased. So inside the text box also, the font size is also increased. That is all about li. And next, outline box. So you observe carefully, this outline box is a name class name equal to outline box. If we observe like this, if I need to give an effect for this outline box, then i need to I need to give in css with dot. If any value with the class equal to some name is there, if I need to give some effects for that, I need to use dot the name, right? Dot outline box. That means these all effect will apply to the outline box class. So what I did, I have given then some attribute, some property as margin equal to auto, padding top, padding bottom. Let us see. I will minimize this value as 1 px. Observe carefully. What happened? The complete section has moved in upward direction. This is padding down, right? So like that. So after like that, as the thing we need, we can able to modify all things by giving this value, right? So background color is also here. I have given some. This is a hexadecimal way of representation also. So we can use. Suppose if I given this color as cyan and I refresh it, right? So what happened by giving the cyan? What happened? The color apply only with this div section only this outline box class itself, right? And here border 1 px. If I give the border 5 px, this is the border, right? If I give 1 px, right? So like that, I can give the border is equal to 1 px, right? In the same way, I can do a lot of things with this with the help of the cx, with the help of the css, right? So I can simply make some font sizes, I can make some margins, I can do all things. These all effects will come. So you observe this one also. What is this? Enter alphabets only, very small letter. How is it possible? I have given an attribute, a class. Where is the enter alphabets only? It is inside the li, and I have given a class is equal to rq. What is the rq? Dot rq dot rq. I have given a color. This is a red color, right? Suppose if I make cyan and I make a font size to some 50, I refresh it, right? You see the effect like this, it will come, right? Right? So this like this, what we did, we simply make the look and feel with the help of this CSS. And finally, I need to make this HTML page into interactive. For that, what I did, I included another thing that is called this line. What is this line? Adding of script. What is my script name? All letter.js. Here I wrote the script also. What is that? By seeing how I can invoke this all letter.cs means very simple. Inside the submit button, inside the submit button, I have written a method called onClick equal to all letter document dot form1 dot txt1. So form1 dot txt1 is the text box name, right? So all letter is the function. Where is this function? This function is inside the all letter.js. So straight away the browser will open this script and it will see what is there inside the all letter. There it has declared one variable, some letters equal to. This is one type of expression, right? So we already discussed in the in the regular expressions in software engineering classes also, right? So this is one kind of expression. What this expression is telling that include caret symbol tells that include capital A to Z, that is uppercase alphabets and lowercase alphabets, right? And it need to accept this expression. And what did input text dot value dot match letters, whatever the text input text, whatever the value will come from the HTML page, here what the value text box, text one value will come here. It need to, that particular text box is holding some value, that value need to match to whom, to letters. In that letters what is there, this expression. If it match, then automatically it will get one alert, your name have accepted, you can try another. It simply returns true. Otherwise, please input alphabet characters only. When this particular alert will come, only when this if condition is failed, then only this particular alert message will come, right? This is a simple way of writing HTML code. So here what we did, we have mixed all the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, right? So if you practice, so that we will start next class with a new concept called bootstrap, right? This is the simple information about the validation using JavaScript, right? Practice well. In next session we will look on the another concept, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel.